Hey guys, Mike here at TV Parts today. I'm going to be showing you how to remove the boards out of this TCL unit. It is a 55S405. And as always, give us a call at 1-800-203-7484 to place an order for any parts you need. Let's get into it. All right, folks, first things first, we've got Screw City to deal with. So let's get right into that. We're just going to remove all these screws across the top, down the sides, across the bottom here. And whenever we get to these two guys right here, we're going to need to just use a Phillips head screwdriver. All right, now that we've got those out, just use your Phillips head for these two little guys right here. And I believe that should be all the screws for this particular unit. Just make another double check, make sure you got all of them. And whenever we lift this paneling off, just be very careful because it is attached, I believe, down somewhere along through here to the main board. And we just wanted to show you a better angle. Once you get this panel lifted up, this is the clip that we're talking about. This is connected to the main board, which also goes down to the power button on the actual unit itself. So this one, we're just gonna pinch it down and pull it out. Pinch it to release and pull it on out. Moving right along to the main board, looks like this guy's just got 1, 2, 3 cables connected to it, 3 screws on the bottom, 3 screws on the top. It's gonna be pretty simple. This guy here, we're gonna pinch down, pull it out. There's a little lever right there you'll be able to feel whenever you have your hand on it. With the ribbon cable, just get under that flap with your fingernail, shimmy the ribbon cable out of there. On this one here, it's another pinch and pull. Pinch it down at the top to release that latch and pull it out. And at this point, we've just got those 6 screws and we'll be finished. And there we have our main board. All right, moseying on over to the neighbor, we've got the power supply. We've got 2 clips here and here, and then we've got 1, 2, 3 screws. Ours actually had another one right here, but it was double threaded, so it was really difficult to get out. We had to actually use a drill and a little flathead screwdriver and kind of shimmy it on up. So we just decided to leave that one out for you guys, just to make this simple. So what we're gonna do is just pinch and pull out, pinch and pull out, and then we've just got these screws. And that, my friends, is that lovely power supply. There we have it. As always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you do subscribe to our channel, your first order with us will qualify for 20% off. Thanks, we'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget, you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook for exclusive promo codes.